Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Flip 5 and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. You need to begin by installing your new defaults. I already did that, so I can go into devices settings right away. In settings, scroll down to access apps. Click on choose default apps and tap on one of those sections that you wish to manage. In my case, browser app. Lastly, just click on the one that you wish to apply and tap on the back button. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!